Okay, this time we're going to look at for loop. It does exactly the same as the while loop. Okay, it will allow you to repeat certain actions. So let's start with what we call it as a list of items. Use the rectangle shape, the parentheses. We call it as list. Here, apple, and then the banana, and then cherry. Okay. So you have 3 items in the fruits list. We like to process one at a time. First time apple, move to second item, then last item, and then we stop. Okay, that's the idea of a for loop. We will save it, apple, take it, we save it as a fruit, singular. We're going to take it in our list that happen to be fruits. Then we print. Of course, I forgot to put colon. And then we print. First time it will be apple, second time banana, then cherry. Okay, that's how we process. Once you reach here, there's nothing to go. Then we are going to be outside the for loop. Okay, here. Let's see. Okay, apple and banana and cherry. Okay, that's how we process the list with the for loop. Sometimes you like to print apple, then maybe next banana, and then cherry. Because the print functions, it will just print one at a time and will introduce a new line. So if we want to control, we have to say and other arguments. You can introduce one space. Okay. So after apple, you introduce one space and then move to banana and then choose one space. And at the end, we print the cherry. Okay. So let's see. So apple, banana, and cherry, if that's what you want. Of course, you can add a comma if you want. Okay, so apple and banana and cherry. Okay, it's not usual. Usually, we just say the fruits. Okay, that's how we print. We would like to take the one item at a time. Okay. Let me go to the example. You may have the values, maybe string values. For example, for character in our case, Python programming. So we have the string values. You like to take one character at a time, like a P at the beginning, and then R, and then O, and G, and so on. Okay. So that case, you can say print character. Then here. So this time we will print P, then next line, then R, and then O. So Python actually knows what you are trying to do. Okay, here is going to take the character value out of the string. Let's see. So programming one at a time. Of course, you can introduce and with possibly one space, and it will show up in the single line. Okay, so print a P, take it as a character value, introduce one space, then R and O, and then and so on. So let me stop here. There are a couple more things to cover for loop. So that's what we use in general in Python with for loop. Thank you.